another look at another database. So once again, go to the library homepage, click on Article and Research Databases. We are now going to take a look at the Academic Search Premier. It is the second one listed. Go ahead and open that up. And then go ahead and click on Databases on the Ebsco host web interface. And this will also retrieve articles that have appeared in scholarly journals, magazines, and reports. It's very academic. You're going to do your search in this queue right here. You'll notice that you have the options to limit your search to a Boolean search. We haven't talked about that yet, so we're going to skip over it for this moment. You can also limit your search to full text, and I recommend that you always choose that. Over here you can also limit your search by the date or the type of publication, indicating if you want just a journal, a periodical, a newspaper, a book, a primary source document, or an educational report. You can do that. If not, you can leave it all. A little further down, you can limit it to the number of pages. You can also limit the images. So let's come back up here and type in our search on global warming. I'm going to forget to click the full text and the scholarly, and I'm just going to hit search. Here's our retrieval of our articles, and you'll notice over here that we have 26,543 results. It almost sounds like a Google search. Let's go ahead and limit these to full text by clicking that box. Now you'll get a little update box like this where you can also change the results by publication date. Notice we have one as old as 1901. Amazing. And all you can do is scroll over and you can limit it to a date that is more of your liking. So let's limit it to let's go to 2000. We've limited to full text. We've limited it to 2000 to 2012. Again, we could say scholarly, and right here I'm just going to click update. And notice now we're down to 13,000. Still quite a few articles. You have a relevant source up here where you can do relevant sort by the date descending or date ascending or relevance. Now you can limit it to the most recent articles. That would be the date descending. Let's just scroll down and see what we have here. Mechanisms for tropical tropospheric circulation change in response to global warming. And notice our authors are listed here. It's in a journal called Journal of Climate, April 2012, volume 25, issue 8, the pages, how long it is, and the DOI number. This is a number that you would use if you were formatting it in APA format. And here's the PDF full text. Let's click on the title for just a moment. The title will give you a description. So here's an abstract or description of the article. Notice the subject terms, and these are hyperlinks, so you can click on them and go to these topics, and these are subjects. Over here you'll see this wonderful toolbox that allows you to save, print. Notice it has a cite, so it will show you how to cite. There's APA, M&A. You scroll down to you saw the MLA. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, here's the description of the article. Let's scroll down a little bit, and you can make a decision if you actually want to look at it. So come over here and click on the PDF to open up the entire document, and this will be rather lengthy, and it's taking its time to load this very lengthy document of 16 pages. But then this will show you it exactly as it was scanned from the actual journal.